Hello, this is Trap Trader, 3rd of July 2025, NFP in 17 seconds. Let's see how they're gonna play that. I think they're gonna play it to the short side. Ooh, they blow this up. There you go, man. I would be wrong. Didn't take any position on that. It's a lottery, basically. But we have direction. Financial juice. Let's see what they're gonna say. Let it blow up. Nasdaq.
The forced participation 62.3%, 62.3%, lower than forecast 62.4%, while government payrolls rose 73k. The prior was minus 1k. So again, we did see headline non-farm payrolls come in higher than expected, 147k on estimates of 106k, while the unemployment rate ticked down 20 basis points to 4.1% from 4.3% expected. So again, strength in the dollar and in the S&P 500 as well. Government bond yield strengthening too. Noting prior revisions here, non-farm payrolls revised up slightly to 237k from 236k.
Just pumping.
Initial jobless claims was, so scrap that. That was initial jobless claims revised up slightly to 237k from 236k. Non-farm payrolls was revised up as well though, 144k from 139k.
Yes, I've got 6,300 level. Waiting.
Average hourly earnings year over year, the prior was revised down to 3.8% from 3.9% as well. We have posted out the non-farm payrolls and US trade balance reports on the feed for those interested. US rate futures traders exit bets on July Fed rate cut after the jobs report. So again, that's rate futures traders exiting bets for a July Fed rate cut following the jobs report. US Treasury 2-year yields are sharply up. US rate futures now see about an 80% chance of a Fed rate cut in September, which is down from 98% before the jobs report.
So what was that? MQ. Okay, let me use some MQ. It's yesterday's high. market is pumping.
EC President von der Leyen says we are ready for a deal with the US on tariffs. So again, von der Leyen, we are ready for a deal with the US on tariffs.
Unemployment rate.
The US Treasury
4.1.
yields turn higher after the payrolls data. The 10-year yield was last up around 6.7 basis points. UK gilts are pairing their gains after the jobs report as the long-dated yield down 5 basis points. That is against 10 basis points earlier on in the day, though. EU's von der Leyen says all instruments are on the table if we don't reach a deal. The pound turning negative, last down 0.34% against the dollar. That's cable down 0.34%. Also noting the US Treasury 2 to 10-year yield curve flattens following the payrolls data. Last at around 45.9 basis points from 49.1 basis points before the data.
I'm just placing levels on SPY, daily high and low. We are already up there.
The dollar franc extends its gains, last up 0.65%. The euro
Nasdaq
extending
took a
decline, last down
high.
against the dollar 0.64%. That's dollar strength.
Okay, that is futures. Nice pullback. Let's quickly have a look. Do we have any kind of level here? Nasdaq. Yes, is down here. That was the overnight high. That's NFP high. NFP high here. And overnight high. So, which one we're gonna trade? Pretty much the same place.
According to a minister, Iran remains committed to the Non-Proliferation Treaty.
Nasdaq is 925 waiting to get filled. On the downside, I don't see anything on the downside really. 900. Yeah, 900. We had that level before of liquidity from before the news. So I think I'm gonna jump on Nasdaq long. It's 900 now, right? 910. They didn't take that low. ES as well didn't take that low.
So Iran's Foreign Minister Araghchi says the IAEA cooperation is to go through the National Security Council.
Still, liquidity hasn't been taken down there. Okay. Nasdaq dipping in. I see 890 waiting. Let me drop a FIBA on that thing. Yeah, that would be a good place to enter this long. Basically, when the market comes back down to this range. 890 is waiting. 880, 890, and 80. Well, there you go. It's getting closer. $890 and $880. And 930s. Okay, 910. 13 kind of waiting as well to get filled up here, probably for second leg down. Single prints here, so this can move really fast. $890, $880 waiting. I'm gonna go here, try to buy this A79. Okay, allow this to go higher a bit, and I'm actually short that. 910, 915. Well, looks like long. Question is how far liquidity might start pop in, and we might be pushing highs. Okay, dipping into 50%. 80 is waiting. Is waiting. If this was first leg,
The yen weakens 1% against the dollar to 145.2 yen, reaching session lows.
ES 280. 280 ES. So actually ES is waiting for that. That means we can go lower on Nasdaq as well. Makes sense. Well, they did take the liquidity, so okay, approaching this 80 now. We'll see if we get a little bounce of that 80. Oh, it's just gonna drop. 82. Okay, taking liquidity at 80.
Yves von der Leyen says what we are aiming at is an agreement in principle with the US.
Taking at 79. What now? What now? We're gonna continue low. We're gonna bounce here for a little bounce. Okay, ES needs another 2 points lower. 82 is waiting. 82? Yeah. 600 82 is waiting on ES and 81. So ES wants 82 and 81. God damn it, this 80 worked. Okay. It did work. Okay, we got 95 now. Now we're gonna continue higher now. Yeah, I should have taken it. Let's see if they're gonna come back down one more time here. The liquidity is still down. 85 wants it. And 900 wants it. But ES wants 82, which means it's lower. 82 and we are trading 84, so ES wants a lower price. Wants to hit that level, 82, 81, somewhere here. So most likely we'll get one more drop. 75 is flashing. Yeah. 78. OT is somewhere here. That's the perfect entry. But yeah, this 80 was good. $900, $910. Yeah, liquidity is showing up. Yeah, it's bumping higher now, so we're still down, filling up this imbalance. We still have more. This is ES. Thank you. Okay, coming back down. I think we're gonna make another leg down. ES wants a bit lower prices. Maybe one more leg and then go. Maybe something like this. And then we're gonna go. Okay, 900. We do have 910. Yeah, you have to take this stuff. Classic entry long. Oh, this order block. We have 910 waiting. 910. 920 even. I still think we're gonna roll down. We might go somehow up here and then we're gonna drop into this OTE above 0.7%. Yeah, 910 is waiting. $85 is waiting as well. Wow, that's nice. Let's try this 85. Come down, take them out, and then quick push up. 85, yeah. Quick drop into that level. 86, yeah, 85, 85.80 now. Which way they're gonna go? They're gonna push first to 910 and then drop. So that's the possibility as well. They could just push to 910 first. I think they wanna grab that liquidity. 85 and 80 waiting. No. I don't like the fact that 80 is waiting. That means we should probably go lower. Yeah. And 6 to 80 is waiting on ES. So I don't like that.
The effective Fed fund rate is unchanged at 4.33% for July the 2nd.
Okay. God damn it, why I didn't click that button.
Order filled.
Okay, I'll try now. Just a little drop to 85. Not ideal trading scenario for me, but
Order filled.
I think this is what I want to do. No? No. God damn it. Don't tell me you're gonna go to 910.
Order filled.
Unfortunately, they did. Took a fucking loss. It's alright. Like I said, it was an ideal scenario. I wanted to 910. What he is doing. Climbing high as well.
So according to a Congress correspondent for Bloomberg, who's citing Scalise here, who tells the correspondent that he and other leaders conveyed that there is an opportunity for a second budget bill passed this year to get the things left out of this bill into law.
Yeah, second leg up. We go to the 910. Yeah. Nine 12. And it's up to 930 even. It could go to 930. The liquidity is there. But measuring these two legs, we are reaching the top. It's ideal place for a drop from now to this 77 or the liquidity is still there waiting. $9.30 waiting to get filled. We may reach for that. Delta 1136. Should have bought that, right? 930 waiting. And 900 is waiting. On ES we have 5 points small. If we get there. Reaching 930, almost. Optimal trade entry for short. This blue range. Still a lot of liquidity above for years to go. So I might take that at the open. $25 loading shorts. But we have 30, 25, 35 and 38. So I'm not touching shorts yet. Yeah, wanted to go long here. Decided to short into it and then to get long. It didn't happen. That drop wasn't enough. Switch it to 5. $11 past. 9:05 is waiting. Got 20 minutes, 18 minutes till open. We don't need that. $900. Yeah, could just fucking enter that short here. It was a good short.
Order filled.
Let's try. Attack on this high into the 30s. I'm not going to be heading. I'm just going to leave it and see. Okay.
ECB's Wunsch says, I see price risks more to the downside. According to Punchbowl, the White House are planning a Friday 9 a.m. signing ceremony.
Still too much liquidity below. No. I think they're gonna dip lower.
ECB's Wunsch says, I'm not
Yeah.
uncomfortable with
Order
bets on
filled.
one more
I'll
cut.
try to catch this here. I'll try to catch this here. 900.
Interfax report that Russia's Putin is to hold a phone call with US President Trump.
God damn it. $905 and 900. Has to go lower now. And it's not doing it. Okay, push to 15 now. 16. Or drop to 900. Getting too close to open. And I have a feeling that we're just gonna dump. Because below 900 there's nothing. There's 880 waiting. So I got this strange thing. I'm thinking that this might break that and go lower. at the open. Especially ES has got a lot of liquidity waiting down there. Pumping again. Let's just switch this into 5 at least. Is waiting now. Ay. We didn't get filled on this. Two trades and 2 losses. But small losses. Trying for that 300, 930. Okay. I'm gonna go short
Order
here for
filled.
the open. Target somewhere here. They managed to sell into this liquidity. I know there's 30 above, but there's also a lot of liquidity waiting down there. That looks like a good push. I'll come down and collect that. These early longs. Still trying. Okay,
Order filled.
let him try. Still got that final push to 25, 30, 35. Somewhere here. Let him try. And we're gonna short from here. No? 2 more minutes. Nice pop. Okay, go, 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 go. Just
Order
gonna add
filled.
one here.
Order filled.
Alright. We loaded. Okay, there's a 50 waiting as well. But we'll see. Do we have liquidity lower? A little bit, not a lot. $28 past.
1 minute now until we get the market on open imbalance. Ten seconds. Market on open imbalance. S&P 500 buy side 210 million. Nasdaq 100 buy side 29 million. Dow 30 buy side 78 million. Mag 7 buy side 18 million.
Order filled.
Alright. This is already going to pump. Motherfuckers. Ooh. Unbelievable. Okay, this is about to hit that liquidity.
Order filled.
So let's see if we can get out from that. low, man. Don't see liquidity below 950. So I have to get out from this. Okay, 950 is waiting. So I should be able to get out somewhere here. Okay, I'm gonna
Order
get off here.
filled.
Not a good start. Not a good start. This liquidity down here is still waiting, but there's a lot of liquidity above. So we're most likely going to reverse.
So in 10 minutes time now at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time, we see the release of the US S&P Services PMI June final. Forecast 53.1 on the prior 53.1, with a range of 53.2 to 52.8, and the composite PMI forecast 52.8 on the prior 52.8.
Still pumping higher. Yeah, it will be pumping now. Just switch to fives. Yeah, it was good escape, man. ISM in 25 minutes. Market is pumping. Clicks down. Stocks are coming up.
S&P 500 and Nasdaq indexes hitting fresh record highs out of the open here. S&P up around spot 4%, Nasdaq up spot 6%.
Okay. $1,500 and the US. Ooh, that's a big number. $9.50 waiting. Down here. Yeah, we have to catch him one good trade. Probably long. Probably long. That market is trending higher. And hold this. This entry was just too early. Yeah, we never got that 900. So
More information from a source here is Trump and Ukraine's President Zelensky are likely to speak by phone on Friday.
this is where we got out. Now we can go a little bit lower. Huh. What's this? 55. Okay, let me just try to catch this limit by 5. Somewhere here at 50. Yeah. Even 40.
So confirmation from Trump on Truth Social, who says he will be speaking with Putin at 10 a.m. Eastern Time.
Order
There we
filled.
go, we're in.
So we did see from Interfax earlier this morning that Russia's Putin is to hold
Let's
a call
hold
with
for a
Trump.
push
Now Trump himself saying he'll be
into-
speaking with
into the
Putin at
highs.
10 a.m. Eastern Time, which is in around 20 minutes' time. So in 5 minutes' time now at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time, we see the release of the US S&P Services PMI June final read. Forecast 53.1 on the
Order
prior
filled.
53.1, with a range of 53.2 to 52.8, and the composite PMI forecast 52.8 on the prior
Order filled.
52.8.
Dump now on me. Hmm. Forty past. Nasty drop. God damn it, this thing is dropping.
Order filled.
It's not a normal pullback. Get up. Ay, 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 ay.
Order filled.
According to a poll, nearly 85% of economists, 21
Okay,
out of
6,
25, say that they are
55
concerned about the quality of
is
official
waiting
UK
to
economic
go
data.
filled.
10 say they are very concerned.
65. Alright, 65. Fine. So let's hold this for 65. Yeah, 62 will be alright. God damn it. So weak. It's 43. Sixty, 65.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with the US S&P Services PMI.
Order filled. Order
I'm gonna
filled.
take that. Okay, fine. So we got a little bit of. Okay. We have news. Final services PMI, fine. And then got ISM services PMI. Alright, we got to this. I think we're gonna get to this 65.
Ten seconds.
Really did pull back, you know? Just
52 spot 9, 52 spot 9, lower than forecast, 53 spot 1. The composite PMI, 52 spot 9, 52 spot 9, higher than forecast, 52 spot 8.
oh no. Probably higher.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go for this push here. Looks like they wanna go there.
Order filled. Order filled.
We have posted out the S&P Services PMI June 2025 report on the feed for those interested. So the chief economist for S&P, Williamson, in the report
Order
says the
filled.
US service sector reported a welcome combination of sustained growth and increased hiring in June, but also reported elevated price pressures, all of which could add to pressures on policymakers to remain cautious with regard to any further loosening of monetary policy.
Let's go. can actually do something else. Try to run this. Let's go, baby. Yeah, pull back. Ay, 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 ay. Someone is selling at 70.
Punchbowl report that the Trump bill signing ceremony pushed to 5
Push
p.m.
through it.
tomorrow
Push
now.
through them.
Was earlier reported to
Push
be
through them.
earlier that morning.
God damn it. $70 guys, heavy.
So we're now 10
The
minutes
fuck
away
is
from the
that?
top of the
This
hour,
meal's all.
where we do see the release of the US ISM
shit
Services PMI
from
for
the
June.
fucking trading.
The forecast is 50.6 on
Fucking
the prior
cunt.
49.9, with a range of 52.2 to 49 expected. For the breakdown, prices paid forecast is 68.9 on the prior 68.7. New orders forecast 48.2 on the prior 46.4, and employment forecast 49.5 on the
Kurwa.
prior 50.7. We also get the release
Sorry
of the
for
US
my
factory
Polish.
orders month over month. For factory orders, the forecast is 8.2% on the prior minus 3.7%. The durable goods revised forecast to remain unchanged at 16.4%, and core durable goods revised forecast to remain unchanged at
Order
0.5%.
Taking it.
filled.
Don't like this. Back to minus 63. Very heavy selling here at 70s. Very, very heavy selling. Someone is adding. That dip was quite deep. Usually it doesn't happen. What? Ooh. They pushed through it. Okay. Well, what can we do? We're not in it. Check this out, mate. Check this out. 22,300. Yeah, the good thing is we're back. We're back, baby. We're back. It's just I'm so unlucky with this fill here. I didn't get it. It's alright. Happens. We managed to get out here. They sold into that 323,000. God damn it. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Look at that, mate. What a rip. Ripping rip. I don't know. 990 is selling. 930 is waiting. 905 is waiting. We'll see. Delta's still positive. They're holding it. Yes, it's still pumping. Well, I'm not going to be buying here. We sold somewhere here. No, we sold somewhere here.
In 5 minutes' time now, at the top of the hour, we'll see the release of the US ISM Services PMI for the month of June. Forecast 50.6 on the prior 49.9, with a range of 52.2 to 49 expected. For the breakdown, prices paid, forecast 68.9 on the prior 68.7. New orders, forecast 48.2 on the prior 46.4. And employment, forecast 49.5 on the prior 50.7. We also get the US factory orders report for the month of May. Month over month, the forecast is 8.2% on the prior minus 3.7%. US durable goods revised, forecast to remain unchanged at 16.4%. And core durable goods revised, forecast to remain unchanged as well at 0.5%.
Okay, a little bit of pullback and then push one more time. Not this. Okay, let's put this fair value gap. It's been filled, actually. How does that look like on 5 minutes? So what ES did. Mm. 20, 25, 40. 40 points on ES. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. ES is 0.6% up, Nasdaq 0.6, Russell 0.6, and Dow Jones is 0.55. Nothing crazy. Fourth of July tomorrow.
One minute remaining. I'll be leading with the US ISM Services PMI.
Liquidity is gone. We'll try to take that quick drop and come back up.
10 seconds.
They already sold into that. They already sold into that, so be careful.
50 spot 8, 50 spot 8 higher than forecast at 50 spot 2. Prices paid 67 spot 5, 67 spot 5, lower than forecast at 68 spot 9. New
Still
orders
bumpy.
51 spot 3, 51 spot 3, higher than forecast 48 spot 2. And employment 47 spot 2, 47 at spot 2, lower than forecast 49
Order filled.
spot
Order
5.
filled.
So for US factory orders month over month 8.2%, 8.2% as expected. Durable
Order
goods revised
filled.
at 16.4%, 16.4% as
Order
expected.
filled.
Okay, just quick steal into the liquidity of 25.
US core durable goods revised at 0.5% as well as expected.
Little
So
scalp.
noting the factory
Momentum
orders from
scalp.
May month over month was revised down slightly to minus 3.9% from minus 3.7%.
ES is at 315 and there's a liquidity at 320. 5 more points technically should get there. If we drop a little bit here, if we do that, then I'm gonna try to go long. One more time.
US stock index is extending gains following the US ISM services sector PMI report.
Amazon not participating in this move. Alphabet as well is just pulling a little bit. Interesting. Nvidia pumping.
So it seems we're seeing an early release here of the US
Amazon
4-week bill
pulling
auction.
down.
High yield of 4.24% and a
Alphabet
bid to
pulling
cover of
down.
3.26, with the US selling 55
up
billion,
here.
awarding 41% of bids at high.
Netflix. Meta dropping. Microsoft is pumping. I don't know. Okay. 35.
We have posted the US ISM
50.
Services PMI June 2025 report on the feed for those interested.
Still 150, yeah. Yeah, that's not gonna be a good day for me. Usually I make money.
Iran not planning to stop
earlier.
enrichment, according to the Deputy Foreign Minister to NBC. So
And,
again, Iran are not planning to stop enrichment.
Everything what I've been doing so far, once I was 300 down, I was just all about to get back into break even, which is cool. We are break even, but 350 still waiting. I think 23,000 should
So
be
the Iran
revisited.
Deputy Foreign Minister also says that Iran will not retaliate further against the US. Again, speaking to NBC.
Should be revisited. Yes, it's got 320, a level up there. Yeah. Nasdaq, if we can drop to this 23,000 free. And I'm gonna buy it. Approaching 50. I guess it's going for the 20. Yeah, we bought somewhere here, we sold here. It's going for the 50 now. $48, yeah, front running most likely. For 10 points or something. To 25.
NBC say Iran are ready to discuss the enrichment program scope with others.
No.
So we have posted out the NBC article which is citing Iran's Deputy Foreign Minister on the feed for those interested.
this and what after that. Yeah. Trying. Come on.
Order
Okay.
filled.
Let's try this. Level 25 probably.
Order filled.
Okay. Yep.
Order filled.
Okay. We got that.
Order filled.
We'll try to close here. Into this little drop. First initial drop. What the fuck you doing, mate? Get down there now. Collect these longs.
Order filled.
Okay. Quick drop. $37 and $39. Yeah, like a fast dump. Should have fucking waited for this 15.
Order filled.
And now, quick drop. No, I'm not gonna add that more. It's enough.
Order filled.
Okay, one more. Surprise, motherfuckers. Surprise. Drop into this fair value gap, basically. $50.37 waiting. Okay. That's our 15-minute handle. Dump. Dump, 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 dump. Come on, go. Just dump. Come on, dump it. Take that liquidity, man. I got liquidity up to 37. I want only 41. Give it to daddy. I'm gonna take
Order filled.
half, just in case this shit is gonna reverse. So
Order
fucking
filled.
close. Let's see if it's gonna hit that fair value gap. Probably, maybe on the second leg. Usually does it on the one swift move to the downside. Can't remember now. It was. It's okay. Well, plus $60. God damn it. We're getting richer. Yeah, but let's not forget about this, that we have to think about buying this as well. Right?
According to the Treasury
Still-
Department
still
website,
didn't
the
hit
US
that.
issues new Iran-related sanctions.
Still didn't hit that 37. There's liquidity up to 30, to be honest. So we could get this overshoot. I want to buy that. Could buy something here. Just to be in it. 36. There's another fair value gap. You know what? There's another fair value gap. Let's do that. Because we have another fair value gap down here. Just hit this one. But yeah, so we got to this 37. Let's see if we're gonna pull it a bit lower. Oh, is that all? That is 20 points drop. Liquidity is lower as well, at 30. Strong buyers. but it doesn't mean it's gonna go. You just can do that on the second leg down. Fucking risky to buy this so high. $10.18. So that trade was just, I know that they do this kind of things. They take that and they keep pumping, but the problem is we have moved so far already. And I'm thinking, if we hit that, we can just continue higher. Yeah.
So in 10 minutes time now, at the bottom of the hour, we see the release of the weekly EIA natural gas change. The forecast is for a build of 49 BCF on the prior build of 96 BCF.
Order filled.
Let's try. Push somewhere here. Break out. To 80. Ooh. What now? I just moved my target. We should just push. Take all of these shorts and start pumping. it's not doing it.
So in 5 minutes time now, at the bottom of the hour, we see the release of the weekly EIA natural gas change. Forecast is for a build of 49 BCF on the prior build of 96 BCF.
Couldn't do it.
Order filled.
Second leg down. We got 4 minutes more. Till 10:30.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go short. For some reason, I think we will get down there first before we hit this top. Oh, there was a fair value up here. I still think they're gonna go down. We might go even lower next time. It's time for the pullback, isn't it? And there's liquidity at 37 and even 25. 37 and 20. Let's not get too greedy. Let's just try to target this.
According to Wall Street Journal's Tim Moreus on X, with a Wall Street Journal article as well, he notes that the June jobs report does little to reconcile a hazy outlook for Fed cuts, beside very likely torpedoing whatever chance there was of a July cut, particularly if stocks continue to push to new highs. One minute remaining for the EIA natural gas change.
News will come. What do we do? Have to make space. Yeah, they took that and dump now.
Order filled.
Ten seconds. A build of 55 BCF, a build of 55 BCF, higher than the expected build of 49 BCF.
Yeah.
Some weakness in natural gas prices following that larger than expected storage build.
And drop below that fair value gap now. Come on.
We have posted out the Tim Moreus article from the Wall Street Journal, as he again notes
Don't
the
want
June
that
jobs
weak.
report likely to extend the Fed's summer pause.
Fuck, look at that. Get down now. Just like this, big boy.
Order filled.
Just like that. Dump it. Just dump it.
We have posted out the US EIA weekly natural gas storage report on the feed for those interested.
It's looking good. 50, 30, 37. Yeah. Come on.
Order filled.
Yeah. 50 and 37 to break that 50. Come on, dump it. Yeah. Surprise. Come on. Invert this fair value gap. Invert it. Stop loss break even, honestly, I can't allow this to come back at me now. Yeah, exactly like that. And now push. push and push and keep pushing to the downside to take all of those longs out. I'm gonna take two
Order
off.
filled.
Axios
about
report
this?
that Trump's envoy plans nuclear talks with Iran next week.
How about this, mate? How about that, huh? Actually, should do full. Yeah, should do full. Come on, don't come back up now. Don't give them a reason to get out. Don't give them reason to get out. Liquidity is waiting at 37. We want 38. God damn it. A big cluster of at 40. So we have to get out here. Come on. That's so difficult to trade this. But you know they're gonna get down there. You just know that because the liquidity is waiting and we started to start stepping down. 37 is just a target. Question is, are they going to wick me out first? Money is made when you hold position. That's so difficult to hold in this kind of environment. When market is just trying to push and push and push and push. I don't like it, to be honest. I do not like it anymore. There you go. See this?
Order filled.
Fucking hell.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
go one more time.
Order filled.
One more time. Same position. They made sure nobody is in the short anymore. God damn it. 37. Okay, I'm holding it. I'm holding because they haven't achieved anything with this drop. Yes, still, yeah. They haven't achieved anything with this drop, but at the same time, this is fucking crazy, 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 crazy. Ugh. You know what? Okay. Maybe no. That means we can get that move because they took everybody out, loaded more shorts. Just don't come back. So difficult to reverse this kind of day. Look at it. But we can see that they want to go. We can see they want to go lower. They have liquidity, and it's just ES is doing. What is ES doing? What is ES doing? Oh, fuck, ES just made new high. God damn it. God damn it. What should I do now? Maybe I should just forget that short. What do you think? I think Nasdaq wants to drop. It's got liquidity lower. It's got liquidity high as well, but shit. I'm not adding into that. I want to see a break of this 42, and we'll be targeting 41 now because liquidity is at 41. I don't know if we get that. Should get that. I'm getting a bit tired of this shot. Okay. Looks like we are breaking. $40, and then perhaps lower. Come on, dump it. So difficult to drop that.
Order filled.
There we go. Stop loss break even. Let's see if we get more. See if we get a little bit more. Liquidity is up to 30. Or I should say down to 30. keep buying that thing. But we have inverted its fair value gap for the second time. Come on, dump it. You know you want it. 44 past. Yeah, that 40 is waiting. And even 30. So I'll just bring that here, just in case this will hit that 40 and go, and it will go really fast to the downside. Yeah. Snaps to the downside. Lovely. That is looking good. That is looking good. Yes, what he says. Yes, it's still trying to go higher. God damn it. Yes. We got 215 liquidities, 2 candles. This one and that one. This one doesn't have much liquidity. It's just been tested. The second one is here, and the third one is down there. But I don't know if I'm gonna. Yeah, it's turning around a little bit.
We have put the piece from Axios on the feed as Trump's envoy plans nuclear talks with Iran next week. So again, just noting, we did see some weakness in oil prices on the release of this initial headline.
Just in case it pops. $45, somebody's covering at 45. Going to 40 now. Yeah. Give me 40. Just give me 40. Break that 40 and go to 35 and 30. So difficult. Uh, 55 is waiting. This is where my stop loss is. Hopefully they will just dump. Hopefully they will just dump now. It's all because the ES is still trying to squeeze the 25, and that's why. But it looks like Nasdaq's gonna do what I need it to do. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on. 48. God damn it. Ah. I think they're gonna pop now.
Order
Fuck off.
filled.
I'll wait for that pop to 55. 55, they want 55. Yes, it's about to hit the high again. Wow. It's doing it now. When I closed up the I didn't manage to yeah, I was unable to hold. Pressure was too big. Look at that. And it's breaking into my target.
It's been 10 minutes time now at the top of the hour. We are expecting comments from Feds Bostic. Feds Bostic, who's the Atlanta Fed president, is going to be speaking on monetary policy at the IMFS Distinguished Lecture Series in Frankfurt. Keep in mind a text is expected from Feds Bostic at the top of the hour.
Yes.
There is also a live video. We've just posted it on the feed for those interested.
Yes. Because Nasdaq is already pulling lower. Yeah, they got to this level. Well, almost $200. We need $2. We need
Order filled.
oops, what the fuck I did? I didn't want to do that. I didn't
Order
want to do
filled.
this. I wanted M&Q. Yeah. You see, it's just still going lower. I don't see much liquidity above now. $45 maybe. Could reverse. And it should reverse. You're so slow. You're so slow. Yeah. Gotta try.
Order filled.
Try this long one more time here.
Order filled.
202. I mean, that's a minimum that I need to make to qualify as a payout day. So I think it's a pretty successful day, taking in consideration that I started with minus 300, managed to make 500 plus 200. It's 11 o'clock. I mean, to be honest, this is just asking to fucking drop now, honestly. I'm looking at that. We hit this 323,072, right? We got
So in 5 minutes
72.
time now, at the top of the hour, we are expecting a text release from Atlanta Fed's Bostic,
70.
who speaks on monetary policy at the IMFS Distinguished Lecture Series in Frankfurt. Again, text expected as well as a Q&A, and we've
The
got a
thing is
live
that-
video on the calendar and the feed for those interested.
The thing is that ES still has got that 25 liquidity, and it's at 23 right now, so they will try to push there. That's why Nasdaq is not falling yet. Yes. So if we look at that, we have collected 1 and 2 liquidities, and beautiful, and now we can try to push towards the highs. Yeah. It's a bullish day. Unfortunately, I didn't get filled here. It's 900, what is it? This 900, targeting this. Maybe leave a runner. Then we got short. Yeah, NQ has got some liquidity now. 60, 62, 65, up to 72. This could be a direction. What time is it? 57. I know what I'm gonna do. Settings. I'm not gonna trade this account anymore, but I can trade this one. So yeah, 45 would be nice. Let's try with 45. Yeah. No. Got 2 more minutes to 4 hours. 47.
One minute remaining to we're expecting this text release from Fed's Bostic.
Trading combined
Order
There we
filled.
go. Waiting. Try to push up there.
Ten seconds.
$60 to be honest.
Fed's Bostic. Fed's Bostic says labour market conditions remain broadly healthy. Says I see a risk that higher inflation could unanchor
Let's go.
expectations. Inflation data reflects strategies to delay price increases. Says the momentum is stalling. It's too early to say the downturn is possible, and urges patience amid uncertainty and a resilient economy. Says I expect longer periods of elevated inflation, but no spikes.
Let's see how far I can go on this. I'm gonna
It's
take
also
one
seeing
off
some
here.
commentary from the IMF as well. They say they're examining the impact of the US tax bill on the economy. IMF say there is consensus that the US tax and spending bill would add to fiscal deficit and runs counter to reducing federal debt. The IMF also said tariff rates after July 9th will be assessed as part of the late July World Economic Update.
Lovely.
And as the global trade environment is shifting significantly, but countries can do a lot to build their own resilience, and says the US needs to reduce its fiscal debt
Order
to put
filled.
the GDP or debt to GDP ratio on a decisively downward path. Needs to reach consensus on how best to do that.
Let's go. You know what? I'm just gonna close everything here. Pump it. God damn it, pump it. Oh,
Order
fuck off.
filled.
Just in front of this liquidity. Oh yeah. What was that? $90. Good. Good. I think this is all for today. Yeah, I got into trouble here hoping for, I mean, I wanted to go long, but I was like, let me short it into the long. Never happened. I do sometimes the stuff like this. I think I even said like, that's just a risky thing to do. And it
Fed's
was
Bostic says the wait-and-see approach on inflation
turn
remains
around.
appropriate, particularly given the economy's resilience.
as well here, just a bit in front of open. Still managed to get out here pretty well. Then we gone long. We made some money up. This was a good, I think there was a good short somewhere here, or no, it was this one here. Yeah, there was this first short that we took. It was a good short here. And then this thing is just pumping and pumping. And I'm like, fine. And we took the shorts from 850. And then we were taking shorts again and again and again, and then now we took longer after market took this 215 liquidities, 215 minutes liquidities. So I don't know if we're gonna continue. ES has reached this 25. London boys will be getting out. I wouldn't mind, to be honest, if this thing just fucking collapsed now. Because ES has got 315, that is 10 points lower. I would like to see this to collapse, because lovely, we took that liquidity. There is 70 as well waiting. I don't know. Lovely push up here. This was taken, that was taken as well. All of that liquidity was taken. Although this is not a 15 minute, but ES has reached the level 2550. So they're trying 2575 now. ES. $26. So they're still pumping a little bit. ES has got, and GU has got a liquidity up to 65.
So we also did see at the top of the hour that the US are due to sell $82 billion in 3-month bills on July 7th, settling on July 10th. And $73 billion in 6-month bills on July 7th, settling on July 10th.
I think that's a brilliant day, considering, it was just unexpected push like this. I mean, unexpected. Well, it was just pushing. And, I don't know. LFP was that good. Unemployment claims pretty good. Let's have a look on that. Unemployment rate. Non-farm payroll better than expected. So market is just positive. Yeah, they're still going. ES is at 27 right now. Up to 30. ES just making new highs, and it goes behind. But and Q has got a liquidity up to 72. Yeah, they might just go there. They might just push.
US stocks extend gains with the Nasdaq up around 1% now.
Okay, 1% Nasdaq. That's nothing. Can end up plus 2% at the end of the day. A bit of front running. The 72 level. ES is pulling. I think London, the boys, they might might be getting out. No, it doesn't matter.
TASS news report citing Kremlin saying that the Putin-Trump call is now undergoing. So TASS say that the Kremlin are to brief reporters after the Putin-Trump call.
No, I think I'm done. Not going to be doing anything with this. It's a good day. Plus 200, plus 300. So let's just check if this is 200. Yeah. Okay. This is Trap Trader. Tomorrow is 4th of July. Market is closed. See you on Monday. Take care. Well, not even on Monday now, because I'm traveling. Wednesday. Take care. And like and subscribe. Yeah? Just hit that like button. It's good trading here. Take care.